Hey guys, it's 4.0. Welcome back to the YouTube. Okay, period. Today we talking a little bit about college dorm checklist, necessity, some type of little thing like that. Oh, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see my PV and my TSU back there? Period. Okay. HBCUs in Texas. But today we're going to talk about some checklists that I feel that you need to have when going into college. All right. Find out what your dorm, your college freshman dorm, whatever it's going to be called. Find out what they provide. Now, if you're staying on campus, they provide, a lot. If you're not staying on campus and you're staying off campus, that's another video. But find out what the campus is going to provide you off rip. Okay, some places like Prairie View and TSU, they provide the actual bed for you, and they also provide like a dresser. They have like the closet thing, and they also give you a refrigerator. I don't know about any other places. I just know about Prairie View and TSU. Let's just say you have a bed. Let's just say you have a fridge. Let's just say you have some type of a dresser. And most colleges do not give you a TV. Okay, so remember that. And then at Prairie View, they also gave you like this kind of desk. And of course, they also provide you with the restroom. Let's just start with bedroom. So bedroom, you're gonna have some type of desk, bed. You're going to need some type of bed spread. So you're gonna have to be bringing your own pillows, your own blankets, your own sheets and stuff like that. So make sure that when you're coming, and remember y'all getting out of high school, going into college, make sure when you're asking on your wish list that you have kind of like a multiple type of bedspread situation, just because not all the time is the laundromat gonna be close to you. Okay, at Prairie View it was super duper far, and we had to walk or get somebody to help us or whatever the case may be to get there, and you got to drag all this stuff there to wash it. So I would say 3 different sets of bedspread material. So that means like sheets for the bed. That means like some type of like, the majority of the time it's twin beds. Okay, sheet, blanket, bedspread combination, 3 different sets. If you go to Target right now, it's popping. You can go up in there and you can grab all types of little things for like your college dorm room. So that's kind of like what I would say. Now, if you're fancy, go ahead and grab you like a little mattress pad, okay? Because I had me one on my twin bed. Prairie View provides twin beds. Let's move on to refrigerator kitchen area. So at PV, there's on the freshman dorm, there's the first side you walk in, and then there's another side you walk in, and in the middle is the restroom. So for the refrigerator part, that's something that you're sharing with your roommate. Try to get like perishable items that you don't have to put in the fridge all the time. So like get your milk, go ahead and grab like, little lunch meat and stuff like that. And also remember, you can stock this stuff up and put this stuff in your closet, whatever the case may be, but you also pay to eat food. Say it with me, you pay to eat food in the cafeteria at your school. But I would say getting like water and stuff like that. You can always, there was enough room for me to stack up like waters and like things that don't have to be in the refrigerator. I had places to put under my bed and closet maneuver thing, so that worked out. But make sure you have like some type of like paper plates or like a set of like 4 bowls, because you might want to make you some noodles or some chili, hot dogs, something. They provide at Prairie View. Remember y'all, at Prairie View they provide a microwave and a refrigerator. So to have some type of bowls that you can just reuse, or paper bowls, paper plates, have some type of that. You cannot bring no burners up in there, y'all, so don't think you finna be in freshman dorms bringing a burner and a skillet and having a crock pot. Y'all can't do all that, okay? They'll tell you though, they'll tell you. But remember, don't bring too much stuff just because you want to have respect for the other person that's going to be on the other side. So if I were you, I would bring like a little bit of stuff that I could put in the refrigerator. Remember, y'all, it's a mini fridge, okay? This is not no big old refrigerator. It's a mini fridge. Salt and pepper shakers, your seasonings, all that good stuff. Make sure you have. Now, let's talk about your restroom, okay? It's a small restroom, you know what I'm saying? Now, if you want to create some type of little shower caddy for you and all that, or if you know your roommate, that's even better, so y'all can already figure out like our color schemes or this. I'll grab the bathroom mats, you get the shower curtain, like whatever the case may be. Or you can buy a set and let the other person buy a set, and so, you know, every week, you know, y'all switch it out, just, you know, just in case it does get dirty, okay? Decor for the restroom, not too much because you just don't know how your roommate is gonna be. Now, for some people, they're sharing an actual like huge restroom, so if that's your case, make sure you create some type of shower caddy with your essentials, okay? Make sure you have that stuff locked up for you. If I were you, I would bring I would start using the sponges to bathe with, or the spoofles. I'm saying it wrong, but y'all know what I'm talking about. Because I would buy like a multi-pack of that so you can save on your towels. So if you wash your face with your towels, I'll get the little like they have these little like pads things that goes on your face and wash it. Throw that stuff away. I would do the little sponges. I would use those multiple to cut down on you having to wash things, because there might not be a washer and dryer in your building, okay? That laundromat is far. When I was in school, bring some type of big towels to dry off with. Your toothbrush, I'll bring multiple toothbrushes. This is the time where you go Dollar Tree and you stack up so multiple toothbrushes, multiple toothpaste, just because you might not be able to go to the store. Yes, there's a store on campus, like the bookstore, where you can go buy stuff, but you know what I'm saying, they don't jack it right on up. Okay, don't do that to yourself. Don't play yourself. Make sure you think outside the box, just because like shower caps and all that, shampoo, I would buy like tons of big old things. Like, this is a water, I would buy a big old shampoo like, you know, this big, and soap to last me. Multiple soaps. It only makes sense, y'all, for real, because y'all think like I'm exaggerating when I say that laundromat is far. You're gonna get tired of pulling. When we speak about laundry and like groceries, some people live on like the 5th floor of the freshman dorm and all that. And this can go for your laundry and your groceries and bringing your stuff in. They have wagons that you can pull to bring this stuff, because yo, I'm telling you, y'all think I'm playing, but it really helps in the long run. They also have these like if I were y'all, get like the little it's not a laundry basket, but it's a laundry bag that you can put on your back. When it comes to clothes, if you're able to go home back and forth, you know, if you going to Prairie View and you in Houston and you able to go home like that, but if you coming from LA to go to Prairie View, if I were y'all, I would literally, if I'm close to home, you know, 3 hours, 2 hours away, I would just bring my fall stuff. I would just bring my fall stuff. If you want to remember, it's all about you and your experience. Figure out the climate of where you're going, just because it helps in the long run. So coming from LA to Texas gets cold. LA doesn't, you know what I'm saying? So bring some light jackets, like, you know, bring some light jackets, but I wouldn't be bringing my big old, you know what I'm saying? I wouldn't be bringing my big old stuff till probably Thanksgiving, until you go back home. So just a little FYI tip that y'all not thinking about. Let's talk about electronics. When y'all are asking for things, kind of keep it to a minimum. Ask for gift cards, okay? If I were y'all, Prairie View did not provide a TV. So a little mini TV, no, you can't bring no big old TV, and no, you can't put it on the wall. You get a dresser and you just set it on top of the dresser. Now, some people go in and they deck it out. This is just PV. I keep trying to tell y'all, FYI. If you are blessed with a different type of situation, or you and your roommates are cool, then cool. Like, always ask for pictures first so you can see what the dorms look like, or look at some type of like YouTube video. It works. It helps. But make sure you have your laptop. They have a computer lab on campus, so if you don't have a laptop, it's cool. They have a computer lab on campus, just use that. They have a computer lab in every building, to be perfectly honest with you. I would not bring a printer, but you can. You know, everything is super digital now. You can bring a printer. I feel like that's a waste of money. They have printers on campus. Use the printer on campus and it was free, versus you having to go buy ink and all those things and wasting kind of like your money. Make sure you have your headphones, your portable speakers, batteries for their remote batteries. It might go for your camera, whatever that case may be. Extension cord, bring that. That's important. We're not thinking about all that sometimes, but bring that. That's super important. I feel like I need an extension cord every now and then. But remember, y'all finna be busy with freshman week, so y'all getting acclimated into your new spots and stuff. Y'all not gonna have time to go to the store. Class is gonna start. Everything just gonna be in a whirlwind. So go to Dollar Tree. I recommend going to Dollar Tree and picking up all these little things. Study supplies, like I said, you have your laptop. There's so many apps for that. There's an app for that. Don't forget, like, your pens, pencils. Sometimes you still need that. Some type of like journal, you know what I'm saying? Bring a journal, some little notepad, sticky notes, highlighters. You know, you bring you some highlighters if you need it. You know what I'm saying? I'm a teacher, so I had this handy. When things get really crucial, you're gonna need those index cards. You're gonna need a USB stick, just because you can put all your, or email it to yourself, put in your Google Drive, some type of something. I think the number one thing I would say is a planner. If I was y'all, I would get organized. So if you got a Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you got a Monday, Wednesday, you might have a Tuesday, Thursday, you might have 2 Tuesday, Thursdays with a Monday, Wednesday, and then another Monday, Wednesday, Friday. There's 5 classes. So just try to get organized, and then you might have this freshman mixer, you might have this turn up party, you might find you a new group of friends and y'all want to go eat at this time because everybody off for class at this time. That planner is super important, okay? And also, use your phone. I don't know why y'all act like y'all can't use your phone. Use that Google calendar. Use your whatever the case may be. They got so many apps for that. And I think like the most important part that we all forget about when going to college, people forget their driver's license or and I'm not saying bring your passport, but if you feel like you need that, then you might need it. Or, you know, God forbid anything happens to like y'all paperwork, but like bring in paperwork that you have sent off, or they might need your birth certificate, you know, they might need your shot records. All those things are very important to have with you while you're there, because you can't get to your mom all the time. Now, yes, for granted, there is at Prairie View, there is a post office on campus, and there's a post office literally right off campus, and then they're just everywhere in the city of Prairie View. But if I were you, I would bring my own little like important stuff like that. Kind of like, you know, little important documents like that I would bring, as well, like having like a little first aid kit. You just never know, you might cut yourself in your room. They have all those around. You have like your CA and RA and all that. They have all that around. I would make sure I have my backpack, you know, maybe a little sewing kit just in case something happens. You know, make sure you have your suitcases and stuff like that. And chargers, multiple chargers. I will buy multiple chargers. And since we're going through this pandemic, bring multiple masks. But college checklist, make sure you don't forget your decor, your clothes, and matching your clothes with the seasons and like not too much. Your health and grooming things, like, you know, your makeup, shower stuff, communicate with your roommate, don't forget about that. For your bath and body, you know, I would suggest, you know, 3 different sets of bedding, especially if you don't have laundry in the unit. I would suggest bringing your own bath stuff and just switching it out, you know, with your roommate. Your school stuff, don't forget about your laptop and all those little unnecessary things and necessary things that you need and may not need. Chargers, buy chargers. And when it comes to food and snacks, I would say bring things that doesn't have to go into a refrigerator. Those are little things that I will bring. All All right, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you want to see more, I can do whatever you want me to do. I think we're gonna have a whole little college session. Okay.